One of the best online business models you can start in 2026 is selling t-shirts online. But I know what you're thinking. You'll say, I don't have money to print t-shirts and sell them. And the answer is very simple. Print on demand. Print on demand costs you nothing up front. No printing costs, no shipping costs, no inventory, no risk at all. Literally nothing. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll be able to create your own t-shirt store, and it will cost you almost nothing to start. Stick with me until the end of this video, because you're going to be amazed by the final result. We'll go through several clear stages together. The first stage is choosing the t-shirt design we want to sell. Then we'll move on to choosing the perfect domain name that represents our brand professionally. And here, I always recommend choosing a .store domain. But the question is, why do I recommend this type of domain? So why should you choose a .store domain in the first place? Because .store was built specifically for online selling. It's not just a web address, it's a powerful signal that instantly tells customers this is a place to buy. Isn't just marketing hype. A detailed study shows that websites using a .store domain receive 87% more traffic and rank 2 times higher on Google, simply because both people and search engines immediately recognize it as an online store. That's exactly why more than 1.5 million sellers worldwide already trust .store, including massive brands and creators like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and Emirates Airlines. It's the perfect domain for selling anything online, and one that actually helps you sell more. And for a limited time, you can grab your .store domain for just 99 cents using my exclusive coupon code MINC through the link in the description. On top of that, when you purchase a .store domain, you unlock Elevate.store, a completely free, curated toolkit for online sellers. It's packed with exclusive deals on tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and more. While it's available to everyone, .store owners get the best discounts. And the best part, it's all included for free. When customers see your website ending in .store, they instantly know it's an online shop. And that instant clarity is exactly how you sell more with a .store domain. After that, we'll move on to designing the t-shirt in a very professional way, and at the same time, extremely easy. Then we'll go to the final step, which is creating our own online store. And all of this will be done in just a few minutes. So now, let's move to the first step, choosing the right t-shirt to sell. I personally always prefer working with trends that you can easily find on social media platforms. For example, at the beginning of summer, I want you to design a t-shirt with a trendy summer vibe. And the same idea applies to any season or trend. There's also another method that I really love, which is focusing on one niche. For example, if you can design t-shirts with funny phrases on them and sell them directly to your audience. This is honestly one of my favorite methods. Comedy spreads like crazy, and anyone who follows this approach can easily make thousands of dollars every single month. In my case, I want to design a t-shirt about summer. While I was searching on Etsy, I found this amazing t-shirt, and I want to design something similar. I'll go straight to Canva, then I'll create a new design with dimensions of 10 by 8 inches. After that, I'll go to the Elements section and search for letter frame. This method will help you design hundreds of t-shirts. It's a really powerful technique. I'll type the word summer using these letters. The great thing about these frames is that you can place images inside the letters themselves. After writing the word summer, I'll adjust the size like this. Next, I'll choose an image that really represents summer. For example, this beach image looks perfect. I'll add it to the page, then drag it like this and place it inside the letter S in the word summer. Using the same method, I'll place the same image inside the rest of the letters. And now we have the word summer filled with beach images and clear summer skies. The result looks amazing, clean, trendy, and perfect for selling as a t-shirt design. I'll add text by simply pressing the letter T on the keyboard. Then I'll place the text above the word summer and type, "Take me where." Now, let's change the font to one that really fits t-shirts, like the Brittany font. Next, I'll copy this sentence and place it below the word summer. Then I'll change the text to "Never ends." And honestly, you can see the result with your own eyes. The t-shirt looks amazing, and we designed it in a super easy way. Now we'll download this design as a PNG file. But make sure you select transparent background. This step is very important. After downloading it, we'll move on to the next step, which is creating the online store. We'll upload the t-shirt images we just designed to the store, and you're going to be blown away by the final result. In this video, I'll teach you everything from A to Z, even how to design professional mock-ups in a very simple way. After that, we'll move directly to designing our website on Shopify. After signing up on Shopify, which I honestly see as one of the best platforms for selling t-shirts, we'll start by setting up the basic Shopify settings. First, I'll go to Settings, then I'll head to the Domains section so we can connect the domain we purchased. I'll type in the domain I bought, for example, moshirts.store. Then I'll connect the DNS for this domain through get.store, and this step is very easy. Once that's done, let's move to the Payments settings. I'll connect my PayPal account here, so whenever a sale happens, the money is sent directly to me. Now we'll go to the Online Store section to choose the theme for our website. Shopify offers many beautiful themes, but make sure to choose a theme that's suitable for selling clothing. For example, this theme right here, I see it as perfect for selling t-shirts and apparel in general. After that, I'll move to the Apps section. I'll search for an app called Printful. This app is responsible for printing the t-shirt and delivering it directly to the customer without any involvement from me. Everything happens automatically. I'll install the app on my Shopify account just like this. I don't currently have a Printful account, so I'll create one by simply clicking this black button. And in just 1 second, the account will be created for me. That's how easy it is. After that, let's move directly to placing the design we created earlier on Canva onto the t-shirt and displaying it on our website. I'll click on Add Product, then I'll choose the type of clothing I want to sell. For example, I'll select men's clothing, then shirts, and after that, I'll choose t-shirt because it's the perfect fit for the summer t-shirt design we created earlier. Next, we'll choose the t-shirt type. I want you to read all these options carefully and really pay attention because you'll find every type of clothing here. In my case, I'll choose this one right here. After that, I'll click on the Start Designing button. We already designed the t-shirt earlier, so I'll simply click on Upload Your Design. Then I'll upload the image we designed on Canva a few moments ago. And within 1 second, the design appears on the t-shirt. But notice something important here. The t-shirt showing up is black, and that doesn't really match the design we created. So if we go to the product icon at the top, we can choose the color of the t-shirt we want to sell. I personally will sell light colored t-shirts like white and gray because they work much better with my design. Of course, you can sell black t-shirts as well, but in the beginning, make sure you design something that actually looks good on black fabric. Choosing the right color is a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how professional your t-shirt looks and how well it sells. After choosing the colors we'll offer for this summer t-shirt, I'll click Continue. Here, it automatically gives you ready mock-ups to display on your website. These mock-ups look amazing, and honestly, they look completely real. You can choose the mock-ups you want to appear on your product page. In my case, I'll select these images because I see them as very professional. Then I'll click Continue, and it will take me to the pricing page. This is where you need to focus carefully because this step determines your profit margin on every single sale. For example, If we sell the t-shirt for $17.50, my profit would only be $1.75. That's not what I want. I want to increase my profit margin to around $5 per sale. So I'll raise the price, and I see that $25 is a very reasonable price. At the same time, $25 is still considered cheap for a high-quality t-shirt. After that, I'll click Continue, and now the product page for the t-shirt is officially ready. You can now add the product title. I'll write the same words that are printed on the t-shirt as the title. You can also add the product description. Printful already provides a detailed fabric description, and I want you to keep it. Buyers care about quality. They want to know if the t-shirt is, for example, 100% cotton. Fabric details matter to the customer. And finally, I'll click Publish. Just like that, your summer t-shirt product is live and ready to be sold. And just like that, my product is now live on our website. Now, let's go back to Online Store one more time, then click on Edit Theme. From here, you can customize anything on your website. This is where you really make the store your own. This is the home page of the website. You can easily change the images and text on the home page without any difficulty at all. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see the product we added just a moment ago. Everything here is very simple to edit. Now, if we scroll down and instead of home page, we choose products, this allows us to edit the actual product page. For example, I personally don't like having the images stacked under each other like this. I prefer them to appear as a slideshow. So instead of choosing grid, I'll select casual. And as you can see, the layout now looks much better. This is the image we designed earlier. The mock-up looks amazing. I honestly love the final result. Here, the product title is clearly visible. The customer can also choose the t-shirt color they want. And down here, you'll see the t-shirt description. Everything looks clean, professional, and ready for sales. Today, I strongly recommend that you start your own t-shirt online store alongside selling digital products, whether on Etsy or Amazon. There are millions of people making thousands of dollars every month selling t-shirts. Just like I told you before, create content on social media, especially comedy content. Then sell t-shirts with funny phrases to your own audience. This method alone can generate thousands of dollars every single month, and this is trusted, proven information. I hope you enjoyed this video. I truly hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.